top 4 chemical engineering schools in the Philippines based on the May 2022 board exam passing rate and a complete job guide. Yan ang tatalakayin natin sa video na ito. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai ng Ilocano Defenders. So, maraming tatanong sa akin, Coach, ano ba yung mga top chemical engineering schools sa Pilipinas? So, mga datos natin ay based sa May 2022 board exam passing rate. So, coming in at number 4 is University of the Philippines in the Visayas, which is Iloilo City with a passing rate of 82.76%. Coming in at number 3 is De La Salle University with a passing rate of 88.89%. Coming in at number 2 would be University of the Philippines in Los Baños with a passing rate of 95.45%. And number 1, dalawa ho ang number 1 natin sa May 2022 board exam passing dahil nag-tie sila. At ang University of San Carlos has a passing rate of 100%. And also University of the Philippines Diliman has a passing rate of 100%. So pareho sila nag-top 1, no? Tie sila for top 1. And ito na ang ating job guide. Dahil marami na rin nagtatanong, Coach, saan ba pwede mag-apply ang mga bagong board passer ng chemical engineering or medyo may konting experience na? Ito ang mga kumpanyang nabuo natin para i-guide kayo. Ang isa sa mga kumpanya dito ay ang RUA Seguridad Corporation with a salary rate of 35,000 to 40,000 pesos per month. Sweet Choice Marketing Corporation with a salary range of 17,000 to 25,000 pesos per month. Filipinas Dravo Corporation with a salary range of 35,000 to 45,000 pesos per month. Columbia International Food Products Inc. with a salary range of 15,000 to 27,000 pesos per month. Taihon Chemicals and Services Inc. with a salary range of 15,000 to 25,000 pesos per month. Clean Leaf International Corporation with a salary range of 25,000 to 40,000 pesos per month. Orera Technologies with a salary range of 20,000 to 40,000 pesos per month. Focus Wireless Philippines Inc. chemical engineers are receiving a 18,000 to 20,000 pesos per month. Mac Union Laboratories Inc. with a salary range of 18,000 to 20,000 pesos per month. PYO International Corp. with a salary range starting from 15,000 pesos per month. D-Zone Farms with a salary range of 50,000 to 70,000 pesos per month. LBG Industries Inc. with a salary range of 20,000 to 22,000 pesos per month. Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation with a salary starting from 20,000 pesos per month. AEC WaterTech Consultancy Services with a salary range from 25,000 to 30,000 pesos per month. So, iba-iba yung salary range depende sa posisyon na makukuha nyo. Kung kayo ay factory or kayo gumagawa ng mga bagong formula or kayo ay nasa office na nagmo-monitor, supervisor or ay bagong trainee, no? So depende kung anong kumpanya at posisyon, iba-ibang sweldo niyan. Pero yun ho ang mga guide. Marami pang ibang kumpanya pero ito yung mga kumpanyang mga naghahanap ng mga chemical engineer na pinresent natin dito sa araw na ito. Muli ako si Engineer Morgan Sai, ang inyong coach ng bayan.